guys, this is Heidi with Kiddos Koral, and today I'm going to be quickly sharing my Aldi haul because I have Ella and, what is that, an orange? Take it to Grandpa, he was peeling it. So, I'm going to have a lot of interruptions. So we got some milk, we got tortillas, we're going to have fajitas tonight. We have eggs under here. We have some strawberries, which Skylar really wanted in the store, but I told him they had to be washed. And then we have some tomatoes and some, what is this, rice cakes?
Rice cakes.
And bananas. Ooh, and look at this Vanna's over here. And it's upside down. We got shells and cheese. Ooh.
The right way.
Yeah, we have two of them. And then we have some breadcrumbs, some mayo, some ranch dressing, and then we have some vanilla extract, a couple things of whole wheat pasta, and then she is Vanna again. Ooh, we got two of those.
Tortilla chip.
Yep, two of those.
Tortilla.
And we got some sugar-free pudding because I'm going to make a pudding pie for my neighbor.
I got this one. And we got this Triano cheese tortellini.
And we got some orange juice. We're totally making fun of people in hauls right now. I don't know why. She doesn't understand the whole purpose. Tomato ketchup. What other kind of ketchup is there besides tomato?
It's basically a smoothie.
Is there others now, isn't there?
Tomatoes and fruit.
Two things of Rotel. Peas. I got like 4 cans of peas. They're in here somewhere. And some baked beans. Some pickles. We got the spaghetti sauce, the tomato, onion, and basil. Some garlic. Lettuce. Peppers, salsa, we got 2 salsa, and baby apple juice for Ella, and some olive oil, Sprite, and let's see what else. Some asparagus. And we got some lemons. These are the biggest lemons I have ever seen. We got some mushrooms, some onions, a whole bunch of cheese. So we got Mexican cheese, we got some Parmigiana, some more Mexican cheese,
Mexicano,
some Kobe Jack, and we got 2 things of the Caesar salad mix, which if you all follow me all the time, you guys know I love these. Some seasoned fries. What else do we have,
Ashley?
Ashley?
We getting tropical up in here.
Yes,
we got
tropical.
that dried pineapple and dried apricot.
That's my zoo food. We forgot the shrimp.
Oh
well,
the stingers.
we'll get some. We got some ranch. Is this the ranch? No, this is the chili seasoning. I thought I grabbed a ranch seasoning, but it's okay. I always keep extra junk on hand like that. So then we have some sour cream. This is such a random haul. We have turkey pepperoni. We have a graham cracker crust. What else?
And on top of that, we have 5 ground turkeys.
Yes,
on top
5. Ice cream. This is what happens when you take a 3-year-old to the store with you. And then we have 2 things of pink salmon. This is open because Skylar had to have these in the store, but these are his favorite and they're really good. I like them too. They're the fruit snacks. They're strawberry. I'm sure they're not dietary. We got
can of green beans on the floor.
Can of green beans that fell on the floor when we were coming in. Yeah, great, right? Say hi, Ella. You can get in this video too.
She was holding her bottle and now she's not. Hold it, baby. You were just doing it.
He wants some orange juice. So I hope y'all enjoyed this random haul, my Aldi haul for the month. And I'll be talking to y'all again soon. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. And say bye-bye, Sky. Say bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Oh, my